Okay, I got microphone on my screen recording. Let me connect. I'm connected to my Z1. Now I need Zillow 3D home plan. And today I'm going to be doing a floor plan with virtual tour. And I'm going to add the home address later. And this is a single family home, first floor, and it is above grade. So this is the floor plan setup. So I can clearly see the alignment in there. So I'm just going to step out of frame, snap a photo, leaving the camera where it is. I'm going to pick up that. I'm going to add another room or area and shoot that again. I'm just gonna call this main floor because you can name these as you go, or you can do it in post. Sometimes Zillow will even name them for you. So I just moved this a little bit further so that way I can capture the office. That will also lead me into this hallway, and then it will let me into the living room. So after that shot, I'm going to go ahead and grab one right in this office. Step out of the room. And I'm going to shoot this bedroom wing first, so I'm going to hit one in this hallway. I'm going to step out of the view of the camera. Make sure I do not see myself and snap a picture. From here, since I have direct line of sight, I'm going to go ahead and grab this front bedroom. Once again, stepping out of the view of the camera. Right. I think my Action 3 battery died, or the camera or the memory card is full, so I'll have to check that out. All right, so now I moved it just in front of the bathroom door. Because that gives me line of sight with the bathroom. Step out of the view of the camera. And from the hallway where it was in front of the bathroom, that gave me direct line of sight for this second bedroom. So I'll place it in the second bedroom and then get out of the view. Now I will grab one in the living room. grab one right here at the island. We'll grab one right here at the door out to the patio. I will grab one here at the dining room. I probably should have tucked this chair in before I started. Step out of frame. From the dining room, I'll grab one in the center of the kitchen. Then here at the hallway going into the laundry room. Since this home has this nice little wet bar, I'm going to grab one, even though it's fairly close, just to detail this little wet bar. So now I'm going to grab one in the laundry room. From the laundry room, I'm going to probably grab two in this garage. I'll grab one directly in front of the doorway. And I'm going to hide back in here again. And then I'll grab a secondary shot in here on this other side. Even though this doorway is currently blocked, this would typically be another access out to the rear yard. Now, I'll grab one here in this hallway that kind of shows the butler's or the pantry, and then it shows into the master suite here in the hallway. And then the master suite. From the master suite, we will have the master bath. And you can kind of see the water closet there, so I don't think I need to take something right in the water closet, although I might do just in front of the closet doorway here. I know it's a small space, but it does kind of give a little bit better sense of how that space comes together. So that shows a little bit more of that water closet, and then shows into the walk-in closet. I will grab one in the walk-in closet. Step back frame. And now the interior of the house is now complete. I always like to start with the interior of the house and then move to the outside, because typically you're in somebody's home and then that allows them to get back to whatever they're doing in their life. So now I'm going to grab the front porch. I will step inside and hide behind the door. Depending on the property, depending on the space, you may get a couple more out front. For this particular one, I'm just going to kind of come down to the curbside to get a curbside front view. And then with the sun coming down, what I like to do is I like to try to place my Z1 to where the sun is kind of splitting across both lenses. So that way you're not getting the dramatic lens flare. So I'm going to see if I can tuck around a corner here so I'm not in the shot. And now I'll pop in through the front door and out to the rear patio. Alright, I'll set the camera down on the rear patio. Then I'll tuck in and hide from said camera. From here, I'll probably grab one in front of the shop door here. Normally I go into the shop, but right now the shop is being used for staging some building materials for another home. So I'm going to grab the secondary patio. Step around the corner. This gate, I would probably place about the middle of this walkway. And then hide from the camera once again. And that also shows the garage that goes into the door, or the door that goes into the garage. And then I grabbed one showing this nice side yard. Hide from the camera once again. Then let's grab one here in this other drive aisle that comes into the shop. I'm gonna grab one here at the gate. Typically I would grab one in this side yard here, but I just don't want to walk through the snow. I would probably grab one right about the middle of that yard, which you'll be able to see from this next pano. And now that I've captured all the 360s that I need to capture, I just need to wait for them to all finish uploading, which it looks like it's uploading the last panorama right this moment. And then it would just be a matter of turning off all the lights and returning the home to where it was when I arrived. So I'm going to come back to the main menu here. I'm going to click finish. I like to use the build but keep tour private so that way I can lay eyeballs on it once it finishes doing its thing. And I should get an email here in just a couple minutes showing me that the tour has been created. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.